In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can change your physical token to a soft token. Note that you cannot do this online as yet, or the option is no longer working if it used to work. So what you have to do is call customer service and set an appointment. You'll be required to have Zoom installed on your phone and a piece of ID for verification. Now, these are the different contact numbers that you can use to contact NCB customer service depending on the country you're from. So this is for Jamaica and UK, USA, and Canada here. Now, once you call customer service, they're going to be sending you a Zoom link to verify your ID, after which they're going to ask you to log in. So what I'll be doing now is showing you those exact steps that you'll go through so you are prepared when you're on that call. So let's jump over to it. So once customer service has made their change and you log in, you'll get this pop-up security setup. So you're going to select setup security token. Now on this page, you're going to select the type of token that you have. So in this case, it's going to be soft token that you're going to be selecting, and then you're going to select next. Now here you're going to get this pop-up cancel security setup. You're going to select dismiss here. So here you're going to select link token, and it will take you to the RSA mobile app. So here you're gonna then hit submit, and then that's basically it. Your OTP credential has been added. That's basically it for the process. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.